Hello traders, how are you? Vladimir here from Traders Academy Club. And in this video, I would like to share with you my analysis on Bitcoin and also try to answer the question, is that time to buy Bitcoin, go all in? And what will happen to this amazing crypto and the whole crypto market? But before I go to the chart and explain all the analysis and the techniques I plan to use for this trading opportunity, if you are new to this channel, welcome to our amazing community. Please subscribe with the subscribe button below the video. And also I invite you to our trading family, Traders Academy Club, where you will get your access to our full VIP price action course and where you will get our real-time trading ideas and real-time trading education. What do I mean by that? Every single trading opportunity comes with a dedicated, detailed video explaining the trading techniques behind it. Join our family with the link below this video in the description, and I hope to see you with us. And now let's take a look on the charts and what do they have for us. So the interesting part here, it's the basic of the analysis. So we've had amazing trending wave since the very beginning of all that rally. 3 waves came to the end with a bearish divergence on the moving average of the MACD, and now we face a BCD correction. Now, usually the corrective movement is ABCD, 2 waves, or any sort of a range. Both scenarios are still possible, and the market can still move within this range. However, at the moment, based on the structure of the price, it looks like an ABCD. Now, the interesting part here is if we plot Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci expansion, retracement on the whole trending movement and expansion on the ABCD correction, what we will figure out is that we are now in the first very powerful area, 61.8 of the retrace and 61.8 of the expansion. Amazing magnet zone. I call it a magnet zone because it, like a magnet, it attracts the movement towards this area. And the next interesting thing which starts to happen is lower lows on the chart versus higher lows on the histogram of the MACD, flipping from negative to positive back to negative zone. The way it usually behaves from this moment is that we start to see and face some slowdown. And with this slowdown, I believe the next buy opportunity is building up. So before I go to lower time frame and explain what should happen to flip all that, it's important to mark the first zone. And the next area, if we manage to break through, you might not like it, but it's a very possible area. And we are talking here about the 14 towards 13,000 level, which also will fit. If we take a draw on a big trend line here, it will be pretty much somewhere there. Now, I am not here to make anyone disappointed by that and claim we are going to 14 or 13,000, which, even though it's very possible scenario, as you can see, I just want to mark out the 2 important levels where I plan to start looking for buy opportunities. If we get the reversal signs, which I'll explain in a moment here, then I'll be looking for the buys here. And if we just go through, I'll be waiting with patience until the next zone, and then very likely buy big. So the next sign, as I said, let's talk about Bruno. In that case, let's talk about Bitcoin. By the way, let me know, what do you think about the Bitcoin? How do you see this one? Is that already a time to buy, or are you still bearish on the market? What is your anticipation with the whole market, the way it's going on? So taking the ABCD from the weekly chart, okay, the first leg, the way I see that, is just ended with a beautiful 3 waves. Then we got ABCD correction, and now we are about very likely to complete this last leg. And this is exactly what I want to see. The divergence we saw on the weekly chart and this divergence on the moving average, ideally to be completed on the daily chart. Here, lower lows on the chart versus higher lows on the MACD, and ideally also RSI. And this could be the sign of the buy. Now, I will not go and claim that this is the all-in buy and we are going for all-time highs. We would need more factors for that. But I will claim that, and let's just draw that and you will see in a second why. If we go to the 4-hour chart, oh, it's too big. If we take that into the 4-hour chart, well, the way I expect the 4-hour chart to behave in that case, again, assuming this analysis would be correct at all, then if the 4-hour chart will follow, we should see some last leg developing and then false breakouts, the signs of slowdown. Low, fake low, low, which turns to be fake, and then the flip. The flip is a very, very important part, okay? Because when from the sequence of lower highs, lower lows, when you flip to the higher highs and then higher lows, it's basically a very powerful trading structure that hints that a turnaround is very likely. So that's how I see the Bitcoin. And from my point of view, we still might see here some attempt to rally, but at least as for now, I don't think it's over. I think one more low is ideal scenario, which I personally want to follow. And what could make that, what could change this view for me is if instead of making a new low, we will get eventually 3 higher highs, higher lows, which would indicate the buyers taking control and break above this ABCD from the weekly. Okay, then I'll be looking to buy the pullback to retest the line and create a breakout. Okay, so this is my plan for the Bitcoin. Let me know, what do you think about the Bitcoin and how do you like this video? If you do and you find it useful and helpful, hit this like button, drop some feedback in the comment section, share this video with anyone who you believe can benefit watching that. And thank you for your time. I hope you have a good trading, and I'll see you soon with more. And once again, welcome to our trading family. Join us with the link below this video in the description. I wish you and yours all the best. I'll see you soon with more. Bye for now.